Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will help you change your BMW 1 Series parking light. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself. First, ensure your car is off and cool. You will need a new parking light bulb, which is commonly an H6W or 434 type, and some gloves to avoid touching the bulb glass. A small flathead screwdriver might also be helpful for some clips. Let's get started with this simple repair. Now, let's access the parking light bulb. Begin by opening your car's bonnet and securing it properly. Look behind the headlight assembly. You will see a large, round plastic cover. This cover protects the bulbs. Gently twist this cover counterclockwise until it loosens, then carefully pull it off. This will expose the various bulbs within the headlight unit, including your parking light. With the cover removed, locate the parking light bulb holder. It's typically a smaller bulb compared to the main headlight. Gently pull the entire holder straight out from its housing. Once out, carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from the holder. Take your new bulb, holding it with gloves to prevent oil transfer, and insert it into the holder, twisting clockwise to secure it firmly in place. You're almost done. Carefully push the bulb holder with the new bulb back into its housing until it clicks or feels secure. Ensure it is seated correctly. Next, align the headlight unit cover and twist it clockwise until it is tightly sealed. Finally, turn on your car's ignition and activate the parking lights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your BMW 1 Series parking light.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.